Hi, my name is Francis Ravhinga. I'm the Conservation Education Coordinator working for Kibale Forest Schools program.
Hey, my name is Shaila Musare. I'm a student from African Leadership University, Rwanda, and I'm an intern at Kibale Forest Schools program. Thank you.
My name is Naftono Goretti, Assistant Conservation Coordinator, Kibale Forest Schools program. Thank you.
Hi, my name is Zach Manta, and I'm the Conservation Education Fellow for KFSP.
Hello, I'm Atari Patience Lillian. I'm the Assistant Conservation Coordinator, and I'm so excited to show you that we have been promoting elephant education in the year 2018.
Kibale Forest Schools program is a local NGO located in the beautiful Midwestern Uganda. Our offices and all our 16 state-owned primary schools are located along the park 5 kilometers. We work directly with schools and communities who have a direct impact on the park. Our goal is to foster a generation of committed rural conservationists who will build sustainable livelihoods and not return to poaching. Thanks to a generous grant from the International Elephant Foundation, we were able to make our 2018 conservation education theme conserving Kibale National Park and its resident elephants. The elephant population of Kibale National Park has been greatly increasing in recent years. For many Ugandans, this can be a problem if appropriate steps are not taken to prevent crop-riding.
Many children near Kibale grow up being told all kinds of things about elephants. Sometimes they're told that they are beautiful creatures which Uganda should be proud to have, but other times they're told that they are dangerous animals which hurt people and destroy their crops.
Our first step was to learn what our students already knew and thought about elephants. So we carried out evaluations, asking on knowledge and attitude on elephants, like why is it important to conserve elephants in KNP, or do elephants eat meat, or are they afraid of bees?
We carried out these pre-evaluations in all our 16 primary schools, taking as many as 75 students from each school. We also evaluated our geography and science teachers.
This is a lot of data.
The main way we promote conservation is by working with the Wildlife Club member students at our schools. In 2018, we've been visiting many different schools to give guest talks all about elephants.
We wish to thank the Harvard College Conservation Society for providing us with materials like PowerPoints and posters that we used in these talks.
We taught students about many things about elephants. For example, the differences between Asian and African elephants, the structure of their families, and the many different ways to prevent crop riding. This is my favorite part of my job.
And African elephants are very tall. Like an African elephant, like an Asian elephant. You have African elephant, you need six. You have Asian elephant. Matriarch, nuwo mugabekazi, nuwo queen, is the president, is the minister, he is the head teacher, is the head mistress of Gwenguba. Yes, please, it can lead a group of elephants between 8 to 100 elephants.
We end our guest talks by showing you films of elephants, of which children love so much.
We also partnered with our friends at the Uganda Wildlife Authority to host guest lectures from our rangers about the different species in Kibale National Park.
And we're only just getting started.
On 31st of July, we'll be hosting our first ever Elephant Pride Day. Our plan is to bring all students from our 16 primary schools together with a march and various speakers. We will be parading through villages that are most affected by elephants and show the love that we feel for them.
To our friends in International Elephant Foundation, we would like to say thank you so much.
And as we say in Rutoro, Mwebale Muno!